right, Zentangles, the final project, part 2, adding a background. Last week, you should have drawn a large silhouette of an animal. There should be a balance between the positive and negative space. Remember, the positive space is the animal itself, and the negative space is the background or the area around your animal. Then you should have filled it in with at least 5 Zentangles. This week, you will add a background. Here are some options. You could divide the background into more sections and fill them with black and white Zentangles. You could do the same thing, but use a colored pen. Or you could draw details from the animal's environment and add Zentangle patterns to that. It's up to you. Whatever you choose, your background must have at least 5 more Zentangles in it. This is the final project. Remember what is on the rubric. Your artwork shows complex Zentangle patterns using a wide variety of motifs. Your final project has at least 10 Zentangles total, 5 in the animal, 5 in the background. A large silhouette of an animal creates a balance between the positive and negative space. Artwork is neatly drawn. Take your time, draw carefully. By the way, you should be using a Sharpie to go over all of your lines. Creativity. Motifs are elaborated on to create complex, unique patterns. Space is broken up in an interesting way. Photograph of artwork is in focus, close up, and well lit by natural light. That's during the daytime, folks. Your name and the date appear in the photograph, so we know the work is yours. But wait, what if you want to go above and beyond? Here are some options. You could add color to emphasize the animal and leave the background as black and white Zentangles. Or you could add color to the background and leave your animal black and white. Or you could add color to the whole thing. Or if you don't want to add color, you could add shading to make your Zentangles look 3D. Or you could add shading around the edges of your animal to make it look like it's floating above the background. I know this is a letter, but I couldn't find an example with an animal. And if you're interested in shading, there are 2 video tutorials on shading attached to the assignment in Google Classroom if you're interested in watching those. Or you can come up with your own unique way to go above and beyond. That's up to you. That's why it's called Above and Beyond. When your artwork is finished, attach the photo of it to this assignment and turn it in. That's important, folks. You gotta attach it and actually turn it into us. If we can't see it, we can't grade it. All right, that's it. Let us know if you have any questions.